In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom SSL certificate in HubSpot. So let's get started. SSL certificates are crucial for ensuring that your website is secure, as they encrypt the data exchange between the user and the server. This encryption helps protect sensitive information and gives your visitors confidence in the safety of your site. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the HubSpot user guide. You can access this by going to the HubSpot website and logging into your account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, head over to the user guide section. You should see it on your HubSpot dashboard or the main navigation bar. This guide section is a valuable resource whenever you need detailed instructions or help with features, so it's a good page to bookmark for future reference. Next, you'll need to click on the Settings option. This is where all of your HubSpot account configurations are located. The settings icon typically looks like a little gear, so keep an eye out for that. Once there, you'll have access to a host of different customization options and features that affect how your HubSpot operates and interacts with visitors. With the settings menu open, your next step is to click on Content. This is where you'll manage all content-related settings, which is a core part of setting up your custom SSL. Navigating to the content area ensures that everything we do is aligned with the content distribution and security strategies of your site. After accessing the content settings, find the option that says Domains and URLs and click on it. Here is where the magic happens because you'll be managing all domain-related settings. It's important to ensure that your domain is properly set up and connected to HubSpot, as any misconfiguration here can lead to downtime or errors on your site. Once you're in the Domains and URLs section, look for the option labeled Custom SSL. Click on it, and this will bring you to the page where you can add your SSL certificate. It's here that you'll have the opportunity to upload your custom SSL certificate files. These files should include a private key, an SSL certificate, and any required intermediate certificates. Having a custom SSL certificate not only secures sensitive data, but also boosts your website ranking as search engines favor secure connections. Follow the prompts and upload the necessary files, ensuring that each uploads correctly without errors. Check for any input prompts that may require additional information or documentation. Once completed, ensure that your settings have been saved. Congratulations! You have successfully added a custom SSL certificate to your HubSpot domain. Keep this process in mind for future reference whenever you need to update or change your SSL certificate. And there you have it. Take a moment to verify that your site is now showcasing the secure padlock icon on the address bar, indicating that SSL is active. This icon is a great reassurance to you and your users that the website is secure. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more guides and tutorials.